Okay, this is how to complete the square. So we're going to take a quadratic equation like this, and we're just going to rewrite it in this form, and we're going to have numbers for the h and the k. So the first step I want to do is take this quadratic equation and let's just make a note of what b divided by 2 is. So the b number is number in front of x, so when I divide -6 by 2, I get -3. And I'm also going to square that number. If I have a fraction, I'm going to keep it all as a fraction. I'm not going to use my calculator at all for this. So when I square that, I get 9. Now I'm going to rewrite this, but with a nice bracket for the first two parts. So I'm going to put those in a bracket, and I'm going to leave a bit of a space here and put the 8 outside the bracket. Now inside here, I'm going to fill this space in here with b over 2. So this number here is going to be filled into here. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm just going to do that in a different colour pen, so you get the idea. So I'm just going to fill that in as +9. Now if that in the bracket is +9, imagine taking the brackets away. We would have to get the same as before, so we have to do take away 9 here. So that's b over 2 added and taken away. Inside the bracket I've added, and outside I've taken away. In here you have, having done that process, you have a perfect square. Now you can try this on your own, but I don't need to do this because I know that this will always factorize into x -3. It's always this number here, and that's why I wanted you to write them down. So you could put this one here and this one here. I'm going to write that as this. Now that's that bracket factorized here. Now I've got +8 minus 9 out here, so that's -1. And that's it. That equation, or that expression there, has now been rewritten like this. It's really that easy. And you can try some of your own from examples that you can find, keeping it very simple. One thing to notice is that the number in front here, the a in front here, is actually 1. And all these will only work with a as 1. If you have a number in front of the x squared, you need to look at the next video, which is completing the square too.